Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the invalid path or connection URL error in OBS. This is a common issue that can interrupt your streaming or recording, but fortunately there's a straightforward solution that involves adjusting OBS's system priority. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open Task Manager on your computer. To do this, click the Start button or Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the search bar appears, type Task Manager and then click on Task Manager from the search results that pop up. This will launch the application where we can modify how Windows handles OBS. When Task Manager opens, you'll see several tabs at the top of the window. Click on the Details tab to access the more technical view of all running processes. This tab shows you every single program and background process currently running on your system, which is exactly what we need to adjust OBS's priority level. Now scroll down through the list of processes until you find obs64.exe. This is the main executable file for OBS Studio, and it's what we need to modify. Once you've located it, right-click on obs64.exe to bring up a context menu with various options. In the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Set Priority. This will reveal a submenu with different priority levels that determine how much of your computer's resources OBS gets to use. From this submenu, select Above Normal. This tells Windows to give OBS more processing power than standard applications, which often resolves connection and path errors. If you try this and the issue persists, you can come back and select High instead, which gives OBS even more priority. After making your selection, click Change Priority to confirm the adjustment. Now I must click on the Processes tab at the top of Task Manager. This tab gives you a cleaner, more user-friendly view of all active applications. Find OBS Studio in the list of running applications, right-click on it, and select End Task from the menu. This will completely close OBS and all its background processes, ensuring that when you restart it, the new priority setting takes effect properly. Finally, go ahead and open the OBS app again. Launch it as you normally would and check whether the invalid path or connection URL error has been resolved. The priority adjustment should now allow OBS to handle connections and file paths more effectively. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the OBS invalid path or connection URL error by adjusting the application's priority settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.